Well, a pair of John Maddock Indian tree oval serving platters. These, I've got several of these coming on catalogue actually, and they vary in size across the different ranges. These are the 12-inch versions, as you can see if I put the tape measure across the diagonal, and the height 9.5 inches. Made during the 1920s and 1930s, so they're coming up antique, these, and are in very good condition considering their age. Just let me show you the plate surface. Hardly a mark on them, as you can see. Very occasional knife mark. We're not selling these as mint. There is a little bit of feathering around the gilt on the rims. Just let me find an area of that for you. To be fair, they're pretty clean. No nicks or cracks or anything on them. And the gilt rims, that's where they tend to take the most wear. Really in fine condition on these examples. Classic John Maddock China mark on the back, used over a long period of time. But with the lion and banner marks in the England, not particularly finely printed on the back there. Bit slap habs of that, to be fair. But the glaze, again, really good condition. This one's still a little wet where we've just washed it for the video presentation. Two of them, and they're almost identical. I mean, these are hand coloured, so there's always a little bit of variation if we go from one to the other, and that's what makes them so charming. The way the decorators have applied the colours and tones will make each piece very much individual. But they're fine display pieces, and for a collector of Indian tree, then to have a matching date-matched pair, 1920s, 1930s, John Maddock, Indian tree design, really nicely executed and in fine condition. Available on our website. We'll pop a link in the description below, which will take you directly through to the listing. They'll be sold individually, but I'd love to see them go as a pair. And we do have some slightly larger ones. I think they're probably 13.5 or 14-inch also available, so they make a really good run on a dresser display. Thanks for watching.